It would have been the biggest political shake-up in decades for Haiti, but the June 27th referendum on constitutional reform won't go ahead, at least for now. A move that heaps yet more uncertainty onto the country's future. Officials blame the coronavirus pandemic for the delay. Even despite the health crisis, President Jovenel Moise has come under fierce criticism for trying to organize a referendum in a country plagued by criminal violence and kidnappings. Critics have accused Moise of going it alone, freezing out civil society and relying on a handful of aides to write a document that could shape Haitian politics for generations. The proposed changes include allowing presidents to run for 2 consecutive terms and giving them greater control of the army. It would also abolish the Senate and create a single legislative body elected every 5 years in a bid to streamline government. To reduce the friction between presidents and prime ministers, the draft document would replace the prime minister with a vice president, and it would grant to the president immunity for actions taken in office. The opposition says it amounts to nothing more than a power grab. They're wary of Jovenel Moise, who won the 2016 elections by a thin margin and has presided over a country that has stumbled from one crisis to the next. Moise has been ruling by decree since 2018 legislative elections were delayed and Parliament was dissolved. Earlier this year, protests swept the country after Moise refused to step down in February at the end of his 5-year term. He insists that his term lasts until February next year, in an election standoff that has brought Haiti to its knees.